Hey Stampin' Friends, Darlene with Darling Stamps. So I want to show you my room. The craft room has morphed from place to place, but each time it seems to kind of get better and better, and it also depends on my space. So I want to show off the practical aspects and also be able to kind of show a little as far as how to make a room work even with simple tools. I'll be right back. So this is moving day, and this has been my craft room in the basement in the bedroom of our family. And I have been working on this and creating videos and everything. And we have storage that I've used with their cabinets. And this has been craft area for 5 months. So anyhow, as we move, there's been no videos, obviously, but as you can see, there hasn't been much packing done either between working the new job and everything. So just want to show you this, and then I'm going to chime out, and once I get everything into the new place, I will video that as well. All right, so I'm going to show kind of a work in progress, because you saw my temporary space, and this is, we're beginning. Let me go in more because there's more on the floor. So yeah, then you have the whole closet. So I'll try to get my up speed when I get up to speed and get it all full, and I'll put away. Stay tuned. So a lot of times we look at our space and we look at trying to get more bang for your buck. So as you can see, I have gone as vertical as I possibly can. And then I also have one of those portable tables that can go up like the highest it can. So that's kind of my island. But let me go around real quick, hopefully not getting you dizzy. But I have my extra paper. This actually is my doTERRA Apothecary station, but utilizing as much as possible. But this was a great find, the desk and hutch at a consignment store. And then this one, of course, hasn't been filled up yet, but I got the tower for paper, and I put all of my scraps in little sleeves and do that. So and then just for fun, these are all of my name tags that I collect from places that I've been. But the desk, normally, well, before I didn't have it as high, but I thought, well, it's for me and it's right in my station. So all the little cubbies, all the little things that are at my fingertips, and of course the drawers for my immediate stuff. But I want to show you underneath this table. So this has utilized a great space. You see that this actually is those 12 by 12 grids, and I zip tied them so that holds my 12 by 12s. And then the little rolling divider, which obviously is multi-use for several things, but just it's close to the desk. I can wheel around to get my adhesives or my crocodile, sorry. And then the file box is for extra paper. And then I've kept things on top for cards and things that I have. Then I'm keeping this as my my station for my Big Shot and the new emboss and cut, so that kind of station stays intact, and then everything underneath for the dies and so forth. But this has been the little cubes that they sell almost everywhere, but having my stamps here, they're not alphabeticalized. Normally I do that. It's easier to find things when it is. And then this wonderful wood shelving I've had for many, many years. It's lasted lots of moves, but it's just the right depth. It's like, what, 4 inches maybe? but it holds all of my punches. I choose to store them closed and locked. Some people store them open, but it kind of works that way. Some of the stamp sets you can see up on top, those are the ones that have die sets. Most of them I have. Kind of keeps them separated from the other. And then you can see I have some display cards of friends and customers who have sent me, so I keep those as wonderful, just beautiful creations and such. This little white shelf I got at a consignment shop, and it will hold my ribbon. The two bottom shelves have dowels that go all the way across, and so my ribbons will go there, and then these I will stack ribbons. Right now they're in boxes, which means I can't see them very well. So up here you can see that nice little tool chest. People put nuts and bolts. Well, I have embellishments and such. And then the tower, which is kind of just a DVD tower, is my Christmas. So I try to get that together. And then I did splurge and get the Stampin' Storage for my inks. Kind of makes it nice and they stay intact. The only downside is that the new style, I have to put a little wedge. I'll show you these little wedges. So I put these little dowels behind it. So as you can see how they kind of stand out from the old ones. So the new ones, because they inset too much. So, but these are those nice metal racks, and you know, I've used them in different elements, but they've all kind of worked out for the best. And then more of the storage. And then I've taken just boxes and put in my beautiful paper in them, and so they hold my 6x6s. And so, of course, then this is one of those collapsible tables. But this is my, I've just covered it. This is my my scoring table. So having a station for everything really helps in order to not have it all in one spot. You can get up and kind of move around and do that. So this tower is one of those closet pieces. It's one of 3, but it works well because I can put my sewing things on there. I have boxes I've gotten from Hobby Lobby that kind of store things, so makes it very, very nice. But in the closet is lots of storage. Even these shoe or clothes closet carriers. This actually works well. You see all my pumpkin boxes. I actually have gotten, back in the day when you had CDs. I'm sorry, tape cassettes, way back in the day. So these are for my, they slide out so perfect and hold my inks for my pads, and then extra loose wood blocks for stamps. And I put those in. And then these drawers work out really nice. A lot of my extra crafts and my storage things works out well. This is my other metal shelving, but it is right now just more of a stacking station right now. It's not quite organized, but being able to have as much storage as possible and organized. So anyhow, this is by far, there's the door. I hang those in the back. Those are for shoes, but I put my extra ribbons and such in there. But just being able to have a space that every little corner of it has some kind of memory, some kind of history. I actually have up here a beautiful card I got from a customer, and then the house is a little ornament that I got from a friend moving into our new home, and then that candy is something that I made one year for Christmas. So anyhow, just there's a little bear that I got from London, and a purse that I've made from paper, and friendship and so forth, and then my Hawaii stuff. So anyhow, just wanting to show a little bit about how to just, here's a box. I've just used the paper in the front to kind of make it pretty versus a box that would just be look ordinary. So anyhow, That in a whole is basically the craft room tour. Not a lot of IKEA type of modular, organized, expensive shelving, which would look really neat. But this is kind of how a real world using what you got. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. And now the craft room's together, I will be getting my February pumpkin done. Have a great day. Bye for now.